get some!
Hi everybody, Adam here, and I'm working out with my friends Bob and my wife friend Rebecca, and they're out here doing a little bit of a circuit. So now Bob is doing exercise 2, which is a static hold for a chest press, time under tension, and then leg lifts with a little hips to the heaven, which is great. And Becca has switched up over here, and she's doing her row. We're gonna get a lot of volume on the row. See what he's doing, Becca? That's yours, okay? Time. Okay, let's switch it up. Did we get that high five thing down yet? There we go. You guys can do all this great stuff, but we can't high five.
Let's do it.
So these are compound exercises, right? We got the lower abs, a little bit of help with the legs. She's got the static hold here for triceps, shoulders, and chest, time under tension. And then we're coupling that with just good old back exercises. And the idea is to do high volume over here, so we're not doing like 4 sets of 6 to 8, 8 to 10. It's gonna be more like doing 10 sets. And then they're gonna try to do as many quality reps as they can, even if it's only, 3 as we get later in the sets. Good job, Beck. Great. Now we're on to our next variation. Bob's doing a sit-up with a little Russian twist. How you feeling that back exercise, Beck?
I'm feeling it now.
Oh, and DOG is there for moral support. Good boy, DOG. Good boy. Oh, what a sweet boy. Bob's back on the row, and Beck's up with a 1-2 twist. DOG will monitor the form. How do they look, DOG? Are they doing good? Aw. Beck, does it make the workout more fun to have DOG here? Whoa! And a slight sit-up with a crunch. There it is, going diagonally across his body. How'd you do on your run, Deb? Really close, in fact. You're on. That's it. That's a great shot. With a flu shot. Oh my gosh. Time. Becca, other side for punching crunch. That's great, Bob. Told you you'd do the whole stack.
Are we doing a sit-up each time? Or
Nope, you're just gonna try to stay reclined so that if you disengaged your abs, you would fall back. Your feet come up to make it harder. That's more core recruitment. You need your heels down, get a little bit of a, I don't want to say easier because it's still challenging, but it's not as challenging, I should say. Why don't you pull this thing? That stack leg. Don't play around, do you, Joe? Wow. You want to get fit, man, you get fit. Now, just for the sake of anybody watching, are you tired today? But you're here, right? You're here. You're gonna make it through, and you're gonna feel good when you're all done. Beck, you look great. It's that whole mind over matter thing, right? You said it yourself. It's like, this is the day I could have used a break at home. But here, was it good to see Bob? Even though it's a challenge, you think you'll feel good when you're done? That's the thing, man. That's the ticket. So Bob's doing an oblique rotation. This is his first time doing this particular exercise. We used to do it with a lean and pull, but this has been proven to be a better way. Or in my father's terminology, it stops you from developing a muffin top. So he creates it. Dad always has a way with words so that you want to listen. You know, he's like, you want to have a muffin top? Fine, do it the other way. No, Dad, I don't want a muffin top. All right, well, maybe you should consider doing it this way. So I'm having them do RDLs, or Romanian deadlifts. So we're trying to use the frame and not have it touch the ground, so we create time under tension. Beck's doing 100 pounds. Bob's doing 120 on the frame. We're not trying to go for a PR. We're just trying to go for something that is challenging, but also functional, something that we might find ourselves having to lift as far as weight in real life. That way they don't risk injury, they don't need a spot, they can do the time under tension training where they don't have to do 1 rep lifts. For their goals, it's a good way to train.
I'm not even joking.
Okay, let's stop. Just here, let me get you a chair. All right, Becca, what happened?
I got a hamstring cramp.
Yeah, man, pretty bad. You're not faking it, are you?
No, it could be pancake butt cramp because it's like upper hamstring, lower butt. So if I have like a hanging butt, it's my hanging butt that's cramping.
Pancake butt cramp?
Yeah.
What?
It's like if I had a really long butt, the bottom of it, that's where it's hurt.
All right, thank you for that description. Is that a medical description?